Hi, today we're going to make a Florence Nightingale lamp for school. We're using an empty squash bottle, recycled cardboard and some ribbon, some special bottle lights and some decorations. Now let's start. So first, put my special apron on so I don't get messy. Then I'm going to cut squares from cardboard. Got 2 squares like this, and now I'm going to put my juice bottle in the middle and I'm going to draw a circle. After that, we're going to cut with my scissors into the middle.
Where are you going to draw the circle?
Around the bottle.
Around the bottle, and then we're going to cut from the corners to the circle, yeah?
Yep.
Let's get on with it then.
I'm going to draw lines to help me cut. Now we're going to paint the squares. I picked dark blue for the midnight sky, but it's also my favourite colour. Top tip for Mum: put cling film on the table, then it's easier to get off.
Yeah, we put plastic wrap on the table, don't we?
Yeah.
And then it's much easier to clean. Off we go then.
Oh, that looks good. So now it's dry, we need to flip it over carefully, put the bottle on, then wrap it around. We made this for top and bottom, and Mum will help me.
I'll help you stick them down, don't we? Yeah, and we're going to glue the bottom piece in place, but this top piece will stay loose so that we can actually move it up and down for reasons I'll explain later.
Yeah.
Shall I help you do that?
Yeah.
Great.
Since we're going to see the bottom of our lamp, I've decided to put glitter in to make it look pretty.
Because you're going to see it through the bottle, aren't you?
Yeah.
Lovely.
Now our lamp really works. We are going to put the special light in. And this is how you switch it on. And we're going to put this bit in and this bit out.
This bit goes on top of the bottle, yeah?
Yeah. So next I cut some ribbon and attached it to the bottle. This is for the handle. Unfortunately, the top bit didn't work because of the shape. So we came up with plan B. We made a cone instead and painted it. Now it's dry, we are going to put decorations on. You see we've put some glittery stuff on it. And
Glitter tape, isn't it?
Yep, and here we go.
What are you decorating it with?
Glitter star.
Oh, wonderful.
So now our lantern is complete. It looks cool. And you can take off the top and you can turn it on and put it back on.
Put it back down.
Whoa, look how cool that looks.
Hold it up then, like Florence Nightingale. That is fabulous. Well done, Liv.